Hello everyone. So myself Raghav Jagga, a fifth year law student from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun, pursuing BCom LLB in taxation laws. So nowadays I am a legal intern with Lexis and Company. So today for our topic is what are the new consumer protection laws in India. So let us discuss this concept in a brief. Let's start. Okay, so on 20th July 2020, a new Consumer Protection Act 2019 came into force in India. It replacing the previous Amendment Act, which is 1986. Okay, the new act overrules the administration and settlements of consumer disputes in India. It provides a strict punishments, including a jail terms for adulteration and for misleading advertisements. Okay, so most importantly, it is now presently is prescribed rule for a sale of a goods through e-commerce, and the consumer is now truly be a king. So this act increase the punishments and give a highly protection to the laborers, to the consumers and all the person in India. So let's discuss what are the new laws that are given are there. Let's start one by one. And first one is an aggrieved consumer can file a complaint about the defect in a goods and deficiency in a service from where she lives. Okay, instead of a place of a business of a seller and a service provider. Another point is no fees are required to be paid if the claim is within a rupees 5 lakhs or approximately in a USD dollar 3500. Okay, so let us discuss another point, which is a consumer can protect his own case through a video conference. Another concept is another laws which came into force by this act is the concept of a product liability has been increased by a new law, thereby allowing the aggressive consumers to claim a significant compensation as a relief rate due to a negligence of the manufacturing or service products. Another point is a group of aggrieved consumer can join the hand and file of a class actions suits to reduce the cost and improve the chances of the redressal or a settlement. So let's discuss the another point, which is very important point, which is e-commerce is now tightly regulated and e-commerce complaints are now accepted to disclose all the relevant products informations. Another point, which is a settlement of a consumer disputes through a mediation with the help of a neutral intermediation outside the consumer courts. So basically a mediation talks about the out of court settlement between the consumers, can do this also. So let's discuss the last and the very important concept, which is a consumer now have a several protection rights, including the right to safety, information, choice, as well as a right to heard, to be educated as a consumer, and to be medicated settlements. Okay, so corporates entitled that the cater of a consumer will have the exercise a greater care and cautions in the terms of a quality, quantity, and a product safety. The boards of corporation that manufactures or a trade consumers good must be consumed. So this act gives a right to a consumer. They can complain as any time as they think fit, and give us several other rights to protect the product themselves as a consumer. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have understood each and everything. If you have any doubt, please feel free to comment in the comment box. So okay, good luck, goodbye.